When you seek discomfort, possibilities unfold. New paths take shape. Unexpected treasures appear. Connections with those who are different. Seek discomfort, because when you say yes, adventure awaits.